If you're still using a traditional savings account, you're losing money. While banks are giving you 0.01 interest, there's a better way to grow your cash with virtually no risk. And it's paying you approximately 4.3% right now. In this video, I'm going to break it all down. Number 1, why savings accounts are a scam. Number 2, where to move your money today. And number 3, how to earn passive income while you sleep. My favorite. So stay tuned. This could literally put thousands back into your pocket. Part 1, why traditional savings accounts are a scam. You see, most of our parents or people that we get advice from in the streets or whatever on social media, right, say, the old school method. Hey, put your money in the savings account. No, they think that putting your money in the savings account is going to let it grow. But listen, that's an old school tactic that does not work today. You see, I'm a numbers guy. I like the numbers. So let's look at the numbers. Number 1, Chase Savings. Chase is giving you 0.01%. Bank of America is giving you 0.1 to 0.05%. So that means if you deposit $10,000 in a whole year, you'll get $1. No, that ain't it. Meanwhile, inflation, the number one killer, right, is eating your money 3% to 4% each year. So in real terms, your money is shrinking by the bank. Just doesn't make any sense, right? So that's what I'm saying. Inflation is the invisible tax on your money and you don't even know it. So you have to account of that. Math is the number one truest thing out there, I say. So break it down like this. Banks or traditional banks are using your deposits to lend money out and make billions of dollars. And basically you're getting the crumbs and the scraps. There's another topic on this. It's called fractional reserve lending. So what is fractional reserve lending? Basically, for every dollar that you give the bank, they lend up to 10 times the amount to other consumers or members in the bank, right? Or their customers. But they charge the interest, right, on you and or the people, so they make money off of those interests. Does that make sense? You can research more into that. I'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. Part 2, here's what you should be doing instead. Right now, the smart money is moving more into a high yield savings account. I'm going to give you some examples of this. Money market accounts, online high yield savings accounts, and or treasury backed saving tools. But what's the standout option? I'll tell you. U.S. Treasury high yield savings accounts, approximately paying 4.3% interest. They're FDIC insured, they're low risk, and they're accessible. Here are some examples of those accounts. SoFi, up to 4.6 APY with a direct deposit, of course. Wealthfront, 5% APY on cash, and one of my favorites, Fidelity Cash Management. Their competitive returns with SIPC protection. These are 80 to 100 times better than what your traditional banks are offering right now. Part 3, how this works. Look over the past 5 years. Let's say you move $10,000 from Chase to a 4.3% account. After 1 year, you will have amassed up to $430 versus just $1 that Chase is offering. After 5 years, you will amass up to $2,300 just sitting there. That's the power of compounding. Albert Einstein said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pay it. Remember that. Anyways, these accounts work because they're online first, basically no brick and mortar costs. They invest into treasuries and short-term bonds, and your money is still liquid. You can withdraw anytime without any penalties. Here's a quick gem. Set up automatic transfers every time you get paid, or an advance comes, or Christmas, or a bonus comes. So your money never sits idle. The plan is to have your money work for you, basically. Here's part 4. Here's some more other smart money moves for your cash. Let's talk emergency funds. Once your emergency fund is earning solid interest, here's what to do next. Step 1. Their emergency fund. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a 4.3 interest account. Number 2, my favorite and what we specialize in. Use cashback credit cards, but always pay off in full. Listen, this is our specialty, right? I use cashback credit cards, travel credit cards to basically travel for free, or use the cashback credit cards to invest into a Roth IRA account or a high yield savings account, right? You grow your money faster. So you're going to be using, I tell my clients all the time, you're going to be paying, your expenses all day with your direct deposit or your debit card, right? No, I suggest you use your cashback credit cards, right? So at the end of the month or the year, you get that money back. You can input that money back into a high yield savings account, and now it's compounding over time. Step 3, which I already previously mentioned, invest the overflow into a Roth IRA or brokerage account, such as Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, etc. Step 4 is invest into CD ladders. I know Navy Federal offers this. Other banks can offer it as well. But use this if you're planning long-term savings. Remember, your goal isn't the outdated just save money, what our grandparents or parents told us. It's to make your money work for you. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Which brings me to part 5. What to watch out for. Be careful with accounts that look like high yield savings, but they have monthly fees or withdrawal limits. Introductory rates that drop after 6 months. Uninsured fintech platforms. So basically what I mean is always look for FDIC insured or SIPC insurance. And what is SIP? Securities Investor Protection Corporation. Here's some other red flags to watch out for. No FDIC insurance. No transparency, withdrawal penalties. So listen, I know it was short, straight to the point. That's how I like to do. So here's the deal. You don't have to be rich to make your money work for you or grow. You just need to stop doing what the banks want you to do and start doing what the wealthy actually do. So move your money today and comment when you watch this video. I want to see who actually took action and moved their money today. You see, knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. So use a high yield savings account, aim for 4.3% interest or more. If you want more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so I can keep bringing you these types of videos, guys. Until next time, peace.